Hello again. My name is Pete Zimmer, and I am still an astronomer with J.T. McGraw and Associates. This is a quick introduction to my virtual poster, Finding Eagle, or Cislunar Space Domain Awareness Meets Archaeoastronomy. After becoming the first humans to explore another world, astronauts Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin left the lunar surface in the Apollo 11 ascent module, famously named Eagle. After returning to orbit, they transferred to the command module Columbia for the return journey. Before doing so, they jettisoned Eagle into what they presumed at the time was an unstable orbit, doomed to crash. A new analysis published last year, using the original flight data, modern lunar gravitational models, and NASA's own orbit propagation software, was originally intended to help locate the impact site of Eagle. But instead, it showed that Eagle may still be in orbit. So naturally, we wondered how hard it would be to detect Eagle in orbit around the Moon with a ground-based optical telescope. Based on Eagle's size and distance, we estimate that it will appear between 17th and 18th magnitude. That's a pretty straightforward target for a meter-class telescope. There is, of course, a catch, or the title of this poster would be, We Found Eagle. Assuming it is still there, Eagle will be in a retrograde orbit around the lunar equator, appearing at most 1 arc-minute from the lunar limb. It's very challenging to detect faint objects that close to a bright object, and most astronomical telescopes are not designed to do that. There's a term for that region around the Moon, the cone of shame. There is one kind of telescope that does so, though, a solar coronagraph. We use those systems as a guide to show that a carefully designed meter-class telescope could detect Eagle in low lunar orbit. In addition, such a system would provide space domain awareness of other objects in low lunar and other close lunar orbits, even and especially during full moon. Rediscovering Eagle would be a triumph, like finding the Titanic. Anyone have James Cameron's phone number? If you do, please come visit our virtual poster. If not, come all the same. Thank you.